Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Afam Bungozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely. You're welcome back, none. Before we delve into what we have for today, if you're a newcomer here, if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. I promise you a truckload of fun and very interesting content. And to all my returning subscribers, you're all welcome. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always supporting me, for watching my videos each time I upload. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. In today's video, we are going to talk about the various Igbo expressions, particularly exclamations. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. Like many African languages, Igbo is a very expressive language that makes use of a lot of exclamations in its daily use. Today is going to be fun and exciting. I hope you are ready. Number one on our list today is Odikwegu. 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 Odikwegu means impossible. Impossible. Sometimes it's used to show absolute rejection of something. Odikwegu. Odikwegu. Very good. Number two, we have Enokwam. Enokwam. Can you imagine that? Can you just imagine? That is it. Enokwam. Enokwam. Can you imagine? Next one on our list is Tufiakwa. Disgusting, God forbid. This is an extreme rejection or opposition of something, usually followed with the clicking of your fingers over the head. To rid yourself, as in to rid oneself of that particular thing in question. It is a reaction to an abomination. Tufiakwa. Tufiakwa. This is a reaction to an abomination. Now let's move to the next one. Chai. This is an exclamation, sometimes used for expressing sympathy. Yeah. Chai. 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 And other times, one can make this when you are fascinated by something or by someone or by an act. You know, chai. 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 Mwanka maka. Chai. Akwụkwọ atọgbu onwe. Chai. Iwe melumwa amakakwan. The next one on our list is Chineke ekwena ife ojo. Chineke ekwena ife ojo. Chineke ekwena ife ojo. Chineke ekwena ife ojo. Chineke ekwena ife ojo simply means God should not allow a bad thing to happen. Chineke ekwena ife ojo. This is an exclamation made usually out of shock. You know, when something negative happens unexpectedly, you go like, Chineke ekwena ife ojo. Chineke ekwena ife ojo. The next on our list here is Chineke me or Chimo. Chineke means God, the creator, okay? So Chimo, my spirit, oh, my spirit, oh. This is a common expression used for the same purpose of oh my God. OMG. Next on our list here is oh. Simply means okay, alright. Oh, okay, alright. This is an exclamation that often means agreeing to something, okay? It can be used on its own or sometimes attached to another word like Chimo, the O. The next one here is Ewo. Oh no in English. Oh no. That is Ewo. This is made out of exhaustion, either from laughing at a joke or when the work is being done. Yes. It is sometimes used for expressing sympathy. Yes, ewo. Then drag it. Ewo. That is when you become so emotional, you don't even know when you dragged it. Ewo. Ewo. The next one is ezioku. Ezioku literally means the truth or true talk. But when it comes to this exclamation, if you are looking into today, ezioku means really, really, ezioku, really, like, are you serious? The next one is bam, bam, bam. Simply means that is it, that is it, bam, you're on point, you nailed it on the head. The next one is, I think the last one, the last but not the least, we have ho-ha. Ho-ha. Ho-ha also translates that is it. Ho-ha. Saying things the way it is without any compromise. Ekuchekwem ho-ha. Ho-ha. Ekuchekwem ho-ha. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Ke mesian.